This is 9:33. We have our second civilian encounter. Wait, third?
No.
One policeman, first civilian. He's pulled over to the side of the road.
It doesn't look
You can see the hazard lights there.
Hey, yeah, we're good. We're just having a little trouble getting out of the ditch. Other than that, we're waiting on a tow truck. We got cell phones, actually, okay. Yeah, we called AAA, so I appreciate your prayers, but anything short of a tow truck's not really helpful right now. I can't help you that way, then. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you for checking on us. So have a good night.
I pretended to be on the phone, so I got that all on camera.
He was eating an apple, and I respect him for that. But
I don't understand. I don't understand what any of this means. I still think we're all gonna fucking die. I still think.
Is it a conspiracy?
More fucking assholes are gonna fucking plow into the fucking shit.
This is some heavy shit that just got dropped out.
This is some heavy shit that got dropped on my face.